Anderson College is one of Canada's oldest colleges, having opened its first location in 1885. Anderson has trained over 150,000 students during its over 140 years of history and continues to be an empowering partner for those who are experiencing career challenges and transitioning to the next phase of their lives.
The classroom is set up to mimic a standard pharmacy setting. We have the community pharmacy lab, so that's the retail pharmacy, what you would typically see in a standard pharmacy. We've got the counter, we've got the cash register, we have the computer terminal. So we do use prescription bottles to teach the techniques to simulate, so the students get into the practice of what they will be doing during their placements, as well as in real-life working environments. We also have it in our sterile compounding lab. So we do have a laminar flow hood. Having worked in a sterile environment myself, I'm very familiar with. We use the equipment that they will be using in practice to start developing those techniques. So that way when they need to use them, it's more of refining their experience and technique rather than learning on the job. Well, covering the theory portion first is they have a different topic per day. So they have several courses that they're managing both throughout the week and throughout the year. And then towards the end of the program, we have the simulated testing environment for the board exams that all technicians are required to write and pass in order to get their certification. I too am a resource, so ask your questions, whatever they may be. If I don't know the answer, that's okay. I will tell you that I don't know the answer, but I will find it for you.
We always ask questions if we don't understand, and then they are available through Teams, so we can always send message and answering, and they will answer right away.
Anderson have an amazing faculty, both of pharmacy technicians and pharmacists that are current in their field. But not only that, they love to teach. They love to see the students succeed. They love to see them job ready at the end of the program.
If you are struggling, they will help you. If you have any question, they are open to answer anything.